Hello guys, and hope doing well. I tried to change the muller tube, this one, with the original muller tube for this Geiger counter or Geiger detector, and I'm going to test the project. You can see that I have some jumper here. One for this one will be connect the buzzer, and this one is output jumper for the connection between the detector and any micro like Arduino or any other controllers. So I'm going to test the project. I have several videos for the radiation detectors, and I should say that this project will make the 200 till 500 volts with the 555 frequency 10K over 4 diodes and one resistor style choke or coil like this. The voltage goes to the 500 DC voltage, and I can adjust the voltage with this part here exactly, and the voltage will go from 110 volts up to 400 volts. Please take care that if the frequency go more than 500, you will destroy the muller tube, and the gas inside the tube will be gone. So I'm going to test the project. This is americium-241. I take it from old smoke detector project. The americium age, if go more than 2 years, it will not work very well, but you can see it is very weak, but working as well as the other detectors. And the 9-volt battery is good enough for this project. Thanks for watching. I will make one more video with the other detectors. Goodbye.